Welcome to the Kobrand section of the October 2015 wine notes. Louis Jadot is a huge opportunity in October. The RIP recently changed to a top value of $2.70 on 15 cases. That's the same $18 per case RIP, but lowered from a previous top deal of 25 cases. Use this as an opportunity to gain more mass floor displays for America's best-selling Burgundy. Your Jadot sales are further supported by the following display enhancer. If an account buys a minimum of 15 cases of Jadot BMV plus Chablis, it must include a minimum of 1 case of Chablis to qualify, and you book the display through Raritan Merchandising. A display enhancer is installed, including a Brayville Juice Fountain Plus. And remember, these are limited to the first 25 display enhancers booked. St. Francis Sonoma continues in October with its new top RIP of $550 on 15 cases. This is worth $3.05 per bottle. And if applied to Chardonnay at an invoice price of $11.33, this RIP is worth 26.9% in RIP profit dollars. If that same Chardonnay is sold at a hot retail price of $11.99, the profit to retailers $3.71 per bottle, or more than 32% in profit if you use the RIP as part of the profit. St. Francis Sonoma sales are also supported by this. If an account purchases a minimum of 14 cases of St. Francis Sonomas, this excludes splash, and you book a display through Raritan Merchandising, a display enhancer is installed, including a Beats Solo 2 wireless headphones. And remember that this is also limited to the first 25 bookings. St. Francis Red Splash continues in October with its new RIP of $144 on 4 cases. This is worth $3 per bottle on $8.99 invoice price, which is more than 33% in RIP profit dollars to the trade. White Splash is no longer part of the RIP and has a newly reduced price of $6.99 wrap-up on 1 case. St. Francis Reserves all have a 1 case RIP of $50, and they're available in the highly desirable 2012 vintage. Very well reviewed in Robert Parker's Wine Advocate. The 2012 Merlot scored 89 points from the Wine Advocate. The 2012 Cabernet scored 94 plus points in the Wine Advocate, and the 2012 Zinfandel scored 93 points in the Wine Advocate. Fonseca bin number 27 is a priority in October. Fonseca bin number 27 is the single best distributor item in the entire Kobrand portfolio. This is one of the best Portos, one of the best selling Portos in the world. When you build your bin 27 business, you're building an ironclad brand equity. Bin number 27 is blended to be ready to drink immediately, unlike vintage port, which may take decades of aging. It scored 90 points in Wine and Spirits magazine. Fonseca bin number 27 offers a 1-day RIP on October 14. The top RIP is $100 on 4 cases. This is an opportunity you've got to get ready for, and make sure that you place the order on time to qualify for this fantastic RIP. Taittinger continues in October with a temporary price reduction. The Brut La Francaise is reduced to $37.99 for September, October, November, December, and it has a RIP of $240 on 5 cases, which is worth $8 per bottle. This competes favorably with other top Brut champagne and delivers more than 21% in RIP profit dollars to the trade. It's important to note that Brut La Francaise is now shipping in 6-packs. The RIP pays on straight cases, so an order of 5 cases 6-packs earns $240 on 5 RIP. The result is Taittinger Brut La Francaise is highly promotable for the champagne selling season, a profitable choice for your customers, and ready to maintain a floor feature. Mozzi is a priority in October. One of Kobrand's hottest new brands, Mozzi is a lead player in the top quality Veneto producers, one of the darling wines of the region for Italian wine lovers. In October, we offer several partial month RIPs. You can look in the October price book for details, and this is intended to help drive focus and features. Nardi Brunello 2009 is priced and RIPed to take advantage of the current hot selling conditions for Brunello as a category. This wine invoices at a hot price of $45.98 on the invoice with a RIP of $335 on 3 cases. This is limited only to available inventory. Once the 2009 vintage Brunello is sold out, we will not be able to honor any back orders. So do the math. The RIP is worth more than 40% in RIP profit dollars, providing significant profit motivation for your customers to buy and feature this wine. This wine scored 90 points in Robert Parker's Wine Advocate. We have an incredible RIP on select Italian wines that is important to understand. This RIP assorts 10 Italian wines that all wholesale between $9 and $18 a bottle. The RIP is $100 on 5 cases or $20 per case. Assorting in this RIP is Masi Bonacosta Valpolicella. This is important to understand because the Masi Valpolicella is the volume driver in the line. The Masi business in New Jersey used to be dominated by O-Picci, but they do not carry Masi anymore. The Kobrand Italian pre-sale RIP expires on October 19. There are a lot of different pre-sale RIPs for the Italian pre-sale. You got to check the price book for details and make sure that you're selling from the pre-sale form, which is already in distribution. Beach Bag continues to be available. It's bright, fresh tropical fruit aromas and it has flavors with a hint of sweetness. It's got an innovative resealable package that stays fresh for up to 1 month after opening. It chills fast in 14 minutes versus 40 minutes for a glass container. It's perfect for backyards, by the beach, by the pool, or sipping wine where glass is not allowed. It's easy to pack. There's no risk of breakage. You toss Beach Bag directly into an ice cooler. There's 90% less waste and 80% lower carbon footprint. It's equivalent to 2 glass bottles of wine. It's limited in availability. Once our current inventory is sold out, we will not be honoring any back orders. The price is $11.99 wrap-up with a RIP of $36 on 2 cases. That is $3 per bag or 25% in RIP profit dollars to the trade before 1 penny of markup. Now remember that there are a number of people working for Kobrand here in the state of New Jersey, and they've got a set of specialists that are also ready to help you. You can get the contact information for the 3 people that live and work in New Jersey from the wine notes, which are attached to the link to this video. Kobrand is an extremely important supplier to R&R and to Charmer Sunbelt. Thank you very much for listening to and watching the wine notes for Kobrand October 2015.